Good morning. Thanks for coming in today. My assistant told me to state your name, cuz.
Stormzy, innit?
Right, right. Do you go by any other names?
My name is the problem. My name is Big Mike. My name is Stiff Chocolate.
All right. I guess I'll just stick with Stormzy. So Stormzy, do you want a bottle of water?
2 cigarettes and a bottle of water.
Well, we can't give you the cigarettes, but I can get my assistant to go get you a bottle of water if you like.
Man, I'm not real like that.
Well, sorry, that's how it works here. Let's just get to the interview then.
Don't be an idiot. Move smart.
So as you know, the performance of Manchester United have not been great in the past couple of months. So we're hoping that you could come in and take over the management and perhaps improve the performances.
I got magic. I'm down to die for this.
That's exactly the passion we're looking for. So, Mr. Stormzy, what would you bring into this team?
I do deals, but I never get twanged. Moves that ain't never been planned.
Oh wow, that's fantastic because we have been getting mugged off in the transfer market for the last 2-3 seasons. So it's good that you have expertise in that area. And what about the youth system?
Kick up the youth. Man, know that I kick up the youth.
Oh great, because we do have potentially top players in our youth ranks. Is there any manager that you growing up idolized?
I'm David Moyes.
Oh no, I hope you're talking about the David Moyes of West Ham United because David Moyes that was over here was not that great.
See, I learned how to take care of business.
We have a lot of world-class players and brands in our team like Ronaldo, Pogba, Rashford. How would you manage them?
I don't mix with the glitz and the glam. All these stupid pricks on the gram.
Well, you can't be calling your players pricks before you even got the job.
I'm not a gangster. I'm just about what you see.
Oh, okay, I do like your passion and I see that you will be able to manage these players in the dressing room.
I go half of my team. I go half of my squad.
Great. Just one last question. What do you think of the Man City fans?
I don't like them, they're not my thing, they went silent, they're all weirdos.
Brilliant, Mr. Stiff Chocolate. Welcome to Manchester United. You've got the job.
I've been killing it, new king.